Hey everyone, Jose here with the Chester Pot Company. Today we're here in beautiful Menifee, California, visiting our friends, Four Paws for Patriots. This past April, we hosted our second charity softball game, and with all your generous donations, one of the charities we teamed up with was Four Paws for Patriots. As a portion of our donation today, we are here to install a water cooler with the Linus HE-RO filtration system for the volunteers and veterans. We are also donating inline carbon black garden hose filters for all the dogs to stay hydrated. Today I'm here with founder Tim LeBlanc. Hey Tim, can you tell us about the work your organization does and the programs you run?
Yeah, we train medical service dogs for disabled veterans. Some of the dogs are psychiatric dogs for conditions like PTSD or traumatic brain injuries. Some of the dogs do a lot of mobility work for people who've lost limbs, sometimes multiple limbs.
So what do you like the most of what you do?
For me, the most rewarding part is seeing the people we've helped return to society and be productive members. Some of them go on to be baseball coaches, football coaches, go to college, get a great education, and get out there and give back to society. The impact it has on the families is also amazing. A lot of the guys are married to maybe school teachers or nurses, and they're able to return back into their jobs and help society too.
That's great, that's great. What do you see accomplishing in the next 3 to 5 years?
Well, we're building a training center where we can do a little more in-depth training. Eventually we'll have a little bit of housing so we can have a few veterans out that are really needing the housing while their training situation going on. And we'll be able to help even more people. Eventually we'd like to help children also.
That sounds great, and we hope to raise awareness for this great organization and help you reach those goals. Why don't we go inside and install this cooler?
Great, let's go.
Thank you so much for everyone who made a donation. Because of it, we were able to make an impact on the lives of those who have served our country. To learn more about Four Paws for Patriots or to make a donation, click the link in the description of this video. Hope to see you all at our third charity softball game this October in Temecula. Once again, thanks for watching.